Welcome to our YouTube video on Andon. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what Andon means in lean manufacturing and quality management. Shortly, what is the definition? Andon is a visual and audible alert system used in manufacturing to signal the status of a process, highlight issues, and call for immediate support when a problem occurs. Think of Andon like a traffic light in the factory. Green means all good, yellow signals attention needed, and red means the process must stop for correction. So, why is Andon so important? Because it enables real-time communication, empowers workers to stop production when quality is at risk, and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Andon helps ensure problems are solved quickly and effectively. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.